Hi, I'm Sherry. In Chinese medicine, qi, life energy, isn't something we push or hype. It's something we rebuild gently through breath, rhythm, and support for the organ systems that generate it. Your lungs, liver, stomach, and heart. This practice helps that energy return naturally. So stand with your feet on the ground, about hips width or slightly wider. Begin bouncing softly through your knees. Allow your arms, jaw, and shoulders to gently follow. You're shaking off heaviness and inviting circulation. This movement helps stimulate your lymph, awaken fascia, and bring rhythm back to the whole system. Notice what moves easily and what resists. Simply track that. There's no need to change it. And now, we begin to slow the bounce, allowing movement to settle on its own, your body returning to stillness. Notice the inner waves still moving, the echo of that rhythm as it fades. When you're ready, bring your hands up to the chest and begin tapping or rubbing gently just under the collarbones and across the sternum. This activates the heart and lung meridians and helps clear the weight of stress or emotional fatigue. You can exhale with a soft ha, 𝐻𝐴, if that feels good. Ha is the sound of the heart and helps to strengthen and clear heart energy, promoting free circulation of qi through the heart center. Just notice here, what do you feel under your hands? Sense of heat, tingling, calm. Sometimes it's here, after a few minutes, when your system really begins to shift. Another second here before allowing the hands to return to stillness. One final ha sound. Just give your body a second to soak that in. You're feeling any changes, what may have already begun to shift in your experience. We begin to slowly spiral side to side from your waist. Allow your arms to swing naturally. Keep your spine tall. And we can exhale with a soft shh, sh, shh, every few turns. This sound supports your liver and helps release held tension. Spiral movement rebalances your system clears stagnation and reconnects left and right sides. Allow the sound slowly taper off, movements to soften. We begin to gradually make our way back towards stillness. The breath arrive without effort. And from that still point, gather your hands at the belly and we'll begin to guide our energy inward. As you begin your inhale, allow the hands to gently widen, as if you're gathering qi from the space around you. Then lift that energy upward, palms facing each other, floating toward the heart. At the top, allow the hands to gently expand, a soft outward pulse, as if offering the energy into the space around you. Then begin the exhale and draw the hands back in and down, slowly guiding that gathered energy back to your center. In traditional Chinese medicine, this motion nourishes the spleen and stomach qi, supporting digestion, grounding, and post-stress recovery. For your nervous system, this rise and return rhythm helps regulate energy after freeze or fatigue, rebalancing the body's natural flow. As you move, notice the sensation between your hands. Is there warmth, tingling, fullness, or quiet? As this final round comes to a close, begin gently rolling the qi ball between your hands, forward and back, smaller and slower with each breath. And draw the hands in toward your lower belly and press the ball of energy softly into your center. In Chinese medicine, this is your lower dantian, the body's primary reservoir of life energy. Allow it to land there and settle. Now, bring one hand to your chest and one to your belly. Feel the support of your own hands. Notice the warmth and weight of them. On your next exhale, we're going to try a soft VOO sound, low and steady from the belly. VOO, V-O-O, VOO. This sound helps regulate your system and settle any leftover charge from the day. Try 2 more rounds at your own pace. Then bring your awareness to what's present right now. What in your system might feel different from when we started this practice together? Maybe a sense of aliveness or energy, a subtle sense of motion beneath the skin. Energy doesn't always come back with force. Sometimes it returns as a quiet presence or breath. If something in today's practice resonated with you, I'd love to hear what landed. I'm a somatic practitioner, and I work with the nervous system to support trauma recovery. If you're looking for support and curious about how I can help, feel free to reach out. The details are below. Until then, go gently and remember, your body is always communicating with you. All we need to do is pause and listen.